Hello, Sycamore children. Good morning. It's time for your literacy lesson, or our literacy lesson. Now, the first thing I want you to do actually is to pause the video now and to go and get two things. I want you to get a pencil and a piece of paper or your red workbooks. So pause the video now, off you go and get those. Right, you're back. So if you remember, cast your minds back to Tuesday. On Tuesday, we learned about a little animal that's going to be the star of our new literacy book that we're going to start next week. Can you all just shout really loudly, because I'm in Windsor and I might just hear you, what was the animal that we learnt a little bit about on Tuesday? Shout it out. Well done. It was the mole. It was the mole. So today's lesson, we're going to move on and build on the work that we did on Tuesday and do a little bit more work around the sentences you've done about the mole. So here we go. Miss Tate, make herself a little bit smaller. So if you remember, on Tuesday, I did a sort of adjective word bank. And we talked about this on Tuesday. All the things that describe the mole, or some of the things, some of the words that describe the mole. The mole's black, furry, it's got a pink nose, quite small, it's got whiskers, he's soft, he's got two eyes, and he's got really big claws. So we looked at that together on Tuesday. Now, let me move myself up here next to the mole. These were Miss Tate's sentences on Tuesday. Moles have black furry bodies. That was Miss Tate's first sentence with her capital letter, which you're all doing brilliantly, and the full stop at the end. And my second sentence was moles have soft pink noses. Now, just wondering, how could we link and join these two sentences together? What word could we use? Pause the video now. Have a think and write down in your red workbook or on your piece of paper the word you would choose to join those two sentences together. Pause the video now and have a go. You're back. Let's see how many of you got the right word. So here's the word to join the sentences together. Moles have black furry bodies and soft pink noses. So I've got no full stop in the middle of my sentence until the end. And I've joined those two facts, those two sentences together with the word and. By using it like that, it's called a conjunction. I've joined a junction. I've joined those two sentences together. Right, let's have a look at this sentence. The mole has black fur and the mole has a soft pink nose. The mole, let me go back, sorry children, I was trying to get rid of this for us. The mole has black fur and the mole has a soft pink nose. I think that sentence could be better. I think we could improve that. So pause the video now and write down that sentence, but write it down to see if you could improve it. Listen to it again. The mole has black fur and the mole has a soft pink nose. How would you write that sentence to make it better? Pause the video now and have a go. Right, have you done it? Have you got your sentence? Your new improved sentence? Let's have a look. So there was the sentence. The mole has black fur and the mole has a soft pink nose. It's a bit clumsy. Here's a much better sentence. The mole has black fur and a soft pink nose. So we don't need to write the mole twice because it makes it a bit clumsy. Do you see, I got rid of the second mole in my improved sentence. Did you? Well done if you did. Now, what I want you to do is have a look at those super sentences that you wrote on Monday. I've written Monday there, I think it was Tuesday, about the moles. And I want you to join those sentences together using and. So I want you to join the two facts that you've written down, pick two super sentences that you've written down, and I want you to rewrite them, but join them together with the word and. And when you've done that, I wonder, can you write some other sentences, I wonder, about moles and use the word and to join the two facts together? So maybe you can find out some other facts about moles, maybe what they like to eat or where they live. See if you can do that. Now, remember, when you write your sentences, you're doing so well on this. I'm so proud of you on this. You are using your capital letters. You're using your full stops and your finger spaces. And I've really noticed that some of you are doing really beautiful handwriting. So the three things I'm going to be looking out for with this piece of work is your capital letters, fulls and full stops. Oh, and obviously your finger spaces. So there's three things. But the fourth thing, the extra, that maybe there'll be some house points for, is beautiful handwriting. Some of you are trying really hard with your handwriting, so make sure you do your best with that. Right. Now, when you've finished that piece of work, have a look at this slide. It's some practice for you, but quite a fun activity of writing sentences using the word and. Because and means you can write a longer sentence. Have a look at this. Here's a word bank. Balloons, cake, singing, fun. Join in, read the words with me. Card, sandwiches, friends, pass the parcel, laugh, present, party games, dancing, musical, statues, and birthday. So these words, I think, are all linked to a bit of a birthday surprise type party, aren't they? They're all the kinds of words and things that you might have if you're having a birthday party. So I've done an example for you, writing a couple of sentences, but joining them together with the word and. So for my birthday party, I want to invite my friends and play party games. So look, I've used the word friends, there it is. And I've used the words party games. So I've taken two words from the word bank and I've used them in my super sentence. For my birthday party, I want to invite my friends and play party games. Here's my other example. I would like to have sandwiches and a birthday cake. So I've used the word sandwiches and birthday cake, or birthday and cake, yeah. So there's a worksheet that I've sent to your mummies and daddies. I think it's called a birthday surprise. And it's got all of these words on the word bank for you to use to write some super sentences using the word and. So your sentences will be quite long because you can join two bits of information together using and. See how many super sentences you can write. Again, beautiful handwriting, capital letters, full stops and finger spaces. Okay? Do your best and I look forward to seeing all your work. Bye-bye.